We get closer.
I'm gonna mop the floor with you with my new Swiffer wet jet with patented cleaning formula to release the toughest dirt and grime.
Swiffer, I'm gonna squeeze the crust out of you. You got no EBIT.
Oh yeah? You got no EBIT.
And then on Wednesdays, it's the cell evangelist, Jerry Selwell.
Olszewski, it's Polish. I'm totally unprepared for the sales call. I've got nothing. No fact-based selling materials. I've got no POS, no samples, no price list. I literally have nothing for this call. Wish me luck.
Yeah.
You might say it's the yin and the yang.
But how will you execute the power of one?
Oh, that is the easiest part. For you see, I have hired a deer hunter from Des Moines, Iowa.
But how will you know if you're successful?
Because